Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain you exercise 2.5 from 9th standard NCERT textbook. Third question, factorize the following using appropriate identities. So let us start this. So we have total here 8 identities. You have to list these identities and you have to remember these identities. So in examination, first of all you have to write, because you will get such kind of questions in exam. So you have to write on last page, you have to write all these identities, and by comparing you have to use the identities. So first question is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So you have to go on comparing with which identity it is applicable. If you see here, in how many identities you have squares, you can see 1, 2, 3, here 4. And here 5. So but you can see here square is there and first and last term is in square form. So our question is also same here, first and last term is in square form, then it is likely similar to the first identity. So try to write in this form. So factorization they told, so factorization of this is equals to what? This, because factorization means we have to write in product form. If you get this x plus y the whole square, you can write it as x plus y into x plus y. So remember, factorization means what? You write the given polynomial in product form. So here if you compare this, x square, that is first term square and second term square. So try to write this in square form. Already x is in square form. Can you write 9 as a square form? Yes, because it is square number. Next y square, that is last term, is also in square form. Remember this here, this is what they are given, take a notation x and y. So here x indicates the first term, this indicates the second term. Always you will not get here xy, you can get any other terms. So here in place of x we have to write this, we can write it as 3x whole square. We have to write it as for only one term, its square. And so that value should not change. 3 square is 9 and x square is x square. Next y, that is what? So x is here 3x. So here you can write our x is here 3x, that is first term, and second term is y only. And we have used here first identity. Remember, for your convenience I wrote here first, so it means it indicates the identity. Next you have to write this middle term in 2 first term into second term. So 2 into our first term is 3x, second term is y. So you should see that it should match with this. Multiplication of this should be 6xy. 2 3s are 6, x into y. So here this is equals to what? This is RHS we got, this equals to LHS, that is x plus y. Here our x is 3x and y is y only, its square. So as it is factorization, you have to write in expanded form, that is 3x plus y, 3x plus y, because this term square means what? You have to multiply 2 times. Factorization is what? Writing in product form. Now let us move to the second example. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So you can see here, remember whenever this factorization, they'll give the right hand side and you have to find what? LHS. Remember always. So this is matching with second identity. You can see here x square, 3 terms identity is what? First and second identity. So here x square is 4y square, because we can write 4 is square number, so we can write this as 2y whole square. Remember, write whole square, don't write 2y square, that is wrong. And this is 1, we can write in square form as what? 1 square. So x square, y square. So our x is here 2y and y is what? 1. Remember, here x is what? 2y and y is what? 1. And write the middle term in this form, minus 2xy. Minus 2 into x is what? Our 2y and y is 1. So multiplication of this is what? Minus 4y. So this is our second identity. So these all equals to what? X minus y whole square. So what is your x? 2y. Y is what? 1, that's minus 1 square. So its factorization is 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1. Further you can't factorize, so this is here its final factorization. Next we'll move to the next question. So here we have a square, here also we have square, but here whole square, here they given the separate squares. So we have to find the identity where there are two terms and separate squares. So we can see third identity, x square minus y square. So x square minus y square, in place of x we have x only, in place of y, that is what, second term square. We can write this y square in square form, even 100 we can write in square form because 100 is square number. So here we can write second term as y divided by 10 its square. So x square minus y square, you have to split. Remember factorization is what? Splitting. So this is what? X plus y, x minus y. So first of all we write this in square form, both the terms, upon 10 its square. Y square and 10 square is 100. So this is equals to x plus y, x minus y. So for your convenience I wrote here x is your x only and y is what? Y by 10. So x plus y, x is x plus y is what? Y by 10, and x minus y is y by 10. Here we use what? Third identity. So do watch this video completely and practice and try to solve yourself. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press like button.